Here are 5 profitable YouTube niches to start your YouTube channel without ever showing your face. And the first on our list, the cooking niche. So the cooking niche is actually a good niche to start with. If you know you're the foodie type, you know how to cook very well, you can start your YouTube channel in this particular niche. You can actually start with what you have with your phone. You can use an Android phone, so you don't need to have fancy gadgets. Start with your phone. You don't even need to show your face, just show what you're cooking, and you can write the text of what you're cooking on the screen, and you can use a voiceover. Film the food you're cooking, then after the video you can edit and add your voiceover. Next one here, which is the fourth one, is the motivation niche. If you're good at giving people motivation, or if you're good at writing motivation, you can actually start this particular niche. You can just write a motivation quote on your phone, or you can use Canva to design a motivation quote. After designing it, you can just do a slideshow of that particular video, of that particular quote, and you can actually make a good amount of money on YouTube. So the third on our niche here is the historical niche. If you know how to dig history of a particular topic, then this particular niche is actually for you. The second on our list right now is the AI niche, because the AI niche is very good and it actually gives a lot of revenue. If your views are very low, it doesn't matter, because they actually pay you a very good amount of money for just getting little amount of views on your channel. You might earn up to $30 for just 300 views on the AI niche. Yes, I actually have people making thousands of dollars without even getting up to 1,000 views on their video. They just keep on making videos and they earn money, even more than my other channels. So the first on our niche here is the finance niche. So if you're the type of person that talks about money very well, if you know how to make money online, you can start this channel. You can start by creating videos on top 3 apps to make this particular amount of money. This is the best app to actually make money in Nigeria right now. Just think of topics and just make a video on it, and you can start earning money from YouTube. YouTube is like a business, so you have to take it seriously, and when you take it seriously, they are going to actually promote you. So this niche is, you actually have to put in the work. Yes, you have to put in the work, because if you're not putting in the work, there's no how you're going to get views, and there's no how you're going to get monetized. So I'm just sharing this with you to let you know that these channels are actually good channels to start with. So if you want to know how to actually grow on YouTube, then watch this video right here. And if you want to know how to create a fake YouTube studio, then watch this video on your screen. So I'm going to leave you all. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. This will tell me that yes, I am actually delivering value. This will actually give me the energy to make more videos for you. But if you're not liking, if you're not subscribing, there's no how I'm going to want to create more videos on this channel, because I will get burned out eventually. By the way, I have other faceless channels, but I just wanted to start this channel to educate back, to give back to my community, right? So I want to give back to my community. That is the reason I created this channel. So please leave a like and subscribe if this video was actually helpful. This will tell the algorithm to push my videos to more people, and I'll see you all in my next video. Peace.